What's up, guys? Alex Lizer here with LTL Trading Group. Just wanted to come to you guys with a quick video over my favorite intraday indicator, the volume weighted average. And we're just going to teach you guys some quick education. So, first, I'm going to give you guys the definition of the volume weighted average, or as I like to call it, the VWAP. The definition is the ratio of value traded to total volume traded over a particular time horizon. So, I use this two different ways intraday to make money. As my first way, I use it as a support or resistance or as a ceiling or a floor. So anytime the price gets above the VWAP, I like to look at it as a floor, right, for the bottom price. Because once it falls out of this floor, it's just going to fall. And once it comes above the ceiling, it's just going to go up, right? So I like to look at it as a ceiling or a floor. And then after that, if it can get above the ceiling or get above the floor, I look at it as a reversal or a trend change, right? So anytime this falls below VWAP, I'm bearish on the stock. So when it falls here, when gold falls below VWAP here, you see it has a fall all the way from 1420 all the way to 1404, even to 1403. So that's a big dump off in price, right? But as you can see, anytime it gets above VWAP or any price, any stock you're trading gets above VWAP, I'm long on it or bullish. So as you can see, it was at 1409 and it got all the way up to 1415, not even on a big bull run. So those are the two ways I like to use VWAP intraday. I like to use it as a ceiling or floor, and then I like to use it as once it can get above and continue above going either way or continue going below, I like to look at it as a trend reversal. So I like to look at it as telling me if something is on a bearish trend or bullish trend. Before we go, we'll check this out on something else. As you can see here, AMD was never a buy today. It might have been a buy right off the get. Right off the get, it was probably a buy here as it held. As soon as it lost, it tried regaining. But as soon as it lost, automatically right here, this is telling me short, short, short. It's bearish, it's bearish. It's coming down, it's coming down. Oop. You can see it makes a nice double bottom that I drew here. I knew it made a double bottom, so then I knew it had a trend reversal. Came back up, tested, used VWAP as a ceiling. It rejected eventually, could not get above, and then it's in a bearish downtrend until it comes back up to the ceiling. Here, I'll check out one more stock for you guys. MU, you can see bullish all day as it's above, starts to lose, could be scary, could turn bearish at any time here, but the volume was high enough that it kept it above VWAP, and here I would even say it's bullish to go higher. That's my video for you guys today. We're going to be coming out with more educational videos over different indicators so you guys can get with the program and get caught up. As you can see, VWAP moved down here and a big spike down in price in gold. So if you guys have any questions or want me to go over any specific indicators for you guys, just leave it in the comments. Like the video so we can spread the wealth around. That's all I got for you guys today.